welcome to my unboxing with my friend Nora.
Hi.
This is the spring 2019 Erin Condren seasonal surprise box.
Yes.
Is that what it's called?
Yep.
Okay, so Nora's in this because I didn't get into Erin Condren on my own. In fact, I didn't know what Erin Condren was until I think you gave me the journal.
Yeah.
She gave me a journal and I was like, because she's one of my besties here at school, and she noticed that at meetings I would draw triangles in my own planner from Bando, and I'd be drawing these triangles, and I just kept drawing triangles and sketches, and rather than mess up my planner, she's like, well, here, just take this journal. And so I bring it to meetings that are going to be incredibly boring, and or maybe they may make me a little angry, and it's better to just draw a bunch of triangles.
Express yourself.
Yeah. So Nora teaches 3rd grade, and I teach 8th, so we technically don't have much in common as far as curriculum goes, but we're prayer partners with each other.
Yeah.
So if you want to tell them what prayer partners, some places know it. But.
Yeah, prayer partners are just when older kids get together with younger kids, and they get to be an influence on them, and we'll do an activity once a month together that'll help bonding.
Yeah, and so we get to spend a lot of time with them, and Nora specifically wanted me as her prayer partner.
Yes,
so
I saw the list,
yes.
and I was originally partnered with someone else, and I saw,
yeah.
Oh my gosh, Dina, I need to be with her.
We made it work. It was actually a perfect little swap too. So the seasonal spring box is awesome, and we had a sneak peeks and everything. She told me what was in there before I even got it, and I was so excited to get it. She got hers a whole week earlier than me, and we live 3 miles from each other.
I know.
We ordered it the same day. I think it's because she spends a lot more money at Erin Condren. Although
I spend a lot of money there.
Yeah, we got into the Mosaic District. It's one of 3 Erin Condren retail stores.
Yep,
I guess
Fairfax.
There's the Fairfax one here in Virginia.
There's one in Austin, Texas, which is her big one, her major one.
That's right. Okay, and then there's one more. California?
I'm not 100%.
So Manhattan doesn't even have one, and yet Fairfax County, Virginia gets one.
I know.
And it's super nice. So if you ever get a chance to go to one of her retail stores, it was such
amazing.
a great experience.
That is.
Yeah. And I got a whole planner, and I've been using it religiously for the past 5 days, and I have a wellness journal that I use.
Yeah.
And you got a bunch of stuff too.
I got some notebooks, pens, some stickers. We should do a planner video. Show our planners.
Hey, yes.
That'll be the next one.
Hers is going to be more amazing than mine. But I'm trying. I'm getting used to it. So I'm not very organized. I try to be, and I think my classroom is very organized, but my life is not. So having something to kind of bridge my pretty amazing organization in my classroom to maybe my less organized life, that would be awesome. That would be wonderful. So why don't we go ahead, you go ahead and open it up.
Okay.
And
so when you first open the box, it's a cute little box like this, and it's got a cute saying at the top, and everything's all bubble wrapped. The first item we have in here is the list of all the different things that come in the box. And then on the back of that card...
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and read this one, because this is something where if you YouTube, you're a YouTube video person, and it's got the theme for the 2019 seasonal surprise box, but also at the bottom they have a little PS for those of us who make videos, and it says make sure to tag us on social media so you can give us your feedback and let us know what you want to see in the next season. So right now we're going to tell you what we want, but we'll also give you the hashtags in just a second. So you go ahead and tell her.
Yeah, so one thing that we thought would be really cool would be a plastic water tumbler or a wine tumbler, because at a lot of pools and beaches you can't bring glass, and you need something to drink and stay hydrated and stay sane when you are outside. So we thought that would be really cool.
And then there was the idea of more stickers and more pens.
Yes, love the pens.
So, I mean, the colors are fabulous, and I really like using different colors for different weeks. So right now I'm using a gray color, and next week I'm going to probably switch to the green color that was in this box, because obviously Sunday is St. Patty's Day, so you have to have a green week in there. So if you want to tag your own video, you have to do hashtag ECS URPRISEBOX. So EC is for Erin Condren, and then it spells out surprise box. And I'll go ahead and show you that
Yeah, it's at the very bottom.
Okay, so.
And then we do have another card in here that kind of tells us about the new interchangeable covers, and then 20% off a coiled notebook.
I wonder where mine went. I must have put it in my. See, I already opened mine. She's all good. She's like,
I was waiting for
I
this.
haven't opened it yet. And I'm like, you haven't? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't do anything with what I opened.
So the first thing in our box is the long-awaited umbrella.
Oh,
It is the Erin Condren umbrella. It's beautiful. I love the colors.
Oh.
And apparently, I heard that you can open and close it just by using the buttons.
Yeah, and I tried
I
that.
haven't tried
I
it.
tried last night. I didn't want to open an umbrella in.
Exactly.
I mean, we'd have to go outside to do this, but like, I mean, it opens pretty easily, right? But then I couldn't get it to reclose after I pushed the button. So I'm wondering if that's false, or maybe we just need to have it opened, but open the whole way before we close it.
Right, yeah. But these, I believe, are her mid-century circles, which I think is her, or it is her, I'm losing the words. Signature. It's her signature look.
Oh, okay. And you know, I'm a huge fan of mid-century. My house is from the mid-century, and it has like those big windows and everything. So I'm a big fan of anything mid-century.
Yeah.
And the lady in the picture, she looks super happy to have her
That's
umbrella.
actually Erin.
Oh, is that her?
Yeah, that's Erin. Yeah.
See? I didn't know that.
Yeah. And if you go to the Mosaic District on the 23rd of March, she will be there. I will be there too.
We'll definitely be there. I'm not sure I'm going to make it. I have to coach that day, so it's probably not likely just because I have a really tight schedule on that Saturday. But definitely go if you're in Virginia and say hi to Nora.
Yes, I will be there.
Okay. So
The second thing in our surprise box is the 10 color skinny paper tape set. So it's a little ring, and these are all different color washi tapes, like skinny ones. So you can use them in your planner, you can outline the dates, you can use them for to-do lists, and it comes with a cute coil, so you can wrap them all on the coil.
I feel like I'm going to go grab a pair of scissors. I'm going to open it up and show them.
Yeah,
because
perfect.
I think it would be
That would
really
be
cool.
great.
Oh, the scissors are right here on the floor. I have a normally very neat classroom, but one of my students left this on the floor. So
And the cool thing about this is that there are 10 of them, and they're 16 feet rolls each.
Oh, that's pretty long.
I'm gonna
Oh,
open mine too.
And so the coil opens up just like any traditional coil, and it's pretty sturdy, so it's not gonna open up. I just literally don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it opens up, and then you can string the coils on. the tape coils on it. They're beautiful colors, and I love it. Color is such a good
I
thing.
know. It just brings so much happiness. And I love how it's like a rainbow color. So you get all different kinds of colors, the lights, the darks.
You're probably not. The static is real here today.
It is.
I had to fill out an online profile for myself, like style-wise, and I was like, don't send me anything black, brown, gray. I just don't want them. I want colors. So this is
Perfect.
oh, cute. Look how nicely that works. I
know.
guess, can you like attach that to something like...
You know, you could probably attach it to your planner, since your planner like has coils on it. You could easily attach it onto the side of your planner. So wherever you go, you can have a couple different colors to tape off dates or whatever you need.
That's neat. Okay, excellent. I'm going to leave this in here in the classroom then, because I think it'll be good for the classroom.
The third thing is the interchangeable metallic quote cover.
Oh, yeah.
So another cover for our planners. And if you go online, they're having a special. Buy one cover, get a second one free. So of course, when we went to Mosaic District, we had to buy two. And get them personalized.
I didn't read. So they will do it there in-house.
Yes, yes.
So you don't have to wait. It was like 10 minutes we waited.
Yeah, it wasn't
was
long at all.
amazing. And they looked really good. So
No,
when
mine has a smudge on it.
Oh, you had a smudge?
It's okay.
Oh, wait. Maybe we
Must
can...
be. Oh, well, mine has a little bit of a
But
smudge.
if it
on the
has a
side,
smudge,
so
I
it's
bet
okay.
she'll take care of it. Here,
Yeah.
this is the one without a smudge. And I bet if Erin Condren actually watches this, which I'm not sure she will, but if she does, she probably would replace it.
And it says, always have the courage to start.
Oh, you know what? I think they
that's great.
do. They sell the box at Mosaic. You may be able.
They
to
might. I might be able to
like exchange it,
or I can just rub it off. If not, it's okay because half the time my planner's open, so I'm not even.
Well, what I like about it is, even if I don't use this as my front cover, I like the fact that it has the inside things that you can write on. And so it's, if you have like 3 covers in a row and 3 backs in a row, you have a place to like
right. And I would have never thought about putting more than one cover on my planner. And as Dina said, it's great if you need to have 3 different places to write, or just make it more sturdy,
or just draw a bunch of triangles
in
meetings.
Or that.
Just be like, I'm taking out my aggression on my planner, or boredom or something.
The 4th thing in here is our favorites, the dual tip markers. I have so many of these. I buy them in the packs because it's cheaper.
I so wanted to open mine today and use it today, but I held strong, and I'm going to wait to actually use my green until next week, although I might start putting notes in next week with my green.
Yeah, and the cool thing about them is that they are totally dual tip. So I'll show you that there's a skinny end to it, and then there's like a fat marker end to it. And I think they're perfect. I use them a lot for grading. I use the fat end for grading. And these are perfect because I don't like to grade with red. I like to grade with colors.
Oh yeah, absolutely. The kids are always like, wait, you graded in blue? And I'm like, yeah. They're like, can I grade in any color? Can I take my test in this weird random color? And I'll be like, well, sure. And they're like, oh, really? And I'm like, don't care.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you don't do it in, and I'll pull out whatever pen I'm planning on grading with. I'm like, just don't do it in the same color I'm going to be grading with.
Yeah. All right, our 5th item in our box is something really cool, which I haven't seen in her store or online. It is a sticky note sheet pad. It's like a notebook. And if you open it...
Wait, let me show the cover first.
Show the cover.
Yeah. I love this print. It's very pretty,
so
stylized, like lines and stuff.
So if you open it, you have sticky notes, of course in color, on both sides. You have like half circles with little frillies on the end, and then you have your banner.
Those are called scallops.
Scallops, yes, they are.
Frillies.
Frillies, scallops.
Take a look at her frillies. Oh my goodness, yes. So scallops.
Scallops, yes.
Scallops. But, I like frillies too.
Yes, frillies work. I couldn't think of the...
No, we should call them frillies. I think that's better than scallops.
Yeah.
Okay, if you agree that frillies sounds better than scallops, comment down below.
Yeah.
But if you don't agree, then just don't say anything because we don't want Nora to cry.
And I love these because these, if I ever have something that I need to write down that I don't want permanently in my planner, I'll just write it on here and then stick it right into my book.
Oh, I never thought about that. Something you don't permanently...
Yeah, or if something's up in the air, like if you know you're going to dinner but you don't know when or where, you could just write dinner and then stick it in your planner.
Yeah, I guess if you are more careful with it. I've already had to X things out and
Yes, I know. Me too.
Oh, okay. So, all right, I'm not alone. All right,
no, you're not alone. And our last thing in here is we have a dual sticker sheet.
This is great. These are
and I love her stickers.
And I needed one of these earlier because I have a priority this week, but I couldn't find the right sticker in the sticker set that I had bought on Sunday or whatever. And so I ended up using up something like this top one. And I really actually would have preferred to use one like this.
Yeah.
I think that would have been better.
The cool thing about these is that one of them is like paper. It's kind of hard to describe. This isn't paper, but these are like plastic ones. So they're not paper, so they can't really rip in half. Do you see that?
Oh, yeah.
You see how they're kind of like plastic?
Yeah, these are really nice. And they're
these are really nice.
When you peel them off, they're like kind of clear, right?
Yeah, yes, exactly. They're see-through, clearish.
Yeah, but we both just showed the same stupid sheet.
Oh, we did. Well, here's the other one.
What, yeah.
And I love the metallic, the shininess on it.
These colors are... Okay, so my favorite color ever, by the way, is the green pen.
Oh,
this is seriously one of my favorite colors.
Yeah.
And I think it's one of my favorite colors to wear. So I have to bring out some more of it's spring green. I think that's what it's called. So I'm going to bring it out, or grass green. I'm going to bring it out and wear it more often in the springtime because it's such a happy color.
Yes. I love all her colors. And I will color code everything. I will use random colors.
I want to color code by week.
That's a good idea. A lot of planner people that I follow on Instagram,
they do it by week?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. I'm following into the system. Well, so before we go, Nora's only going to make appearances every once in a while, but I'm excited for her to do so. So we'll be back with the summer 2019 box and any planner videos we manage to make when we get together. If you're interested in more content like this, definitely subscribe down below. I'd love to have you join me in my sort of random unboxings and unbaggings here on my YouTube channel, and I would like to follow you back. So if you have something that you are interested in me seeing, I subscribe to every channel that subscribes to me because I think it's fair and it's a nice turnaround. So subscribe to me and I will subscribe back.
Yes, and you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is The Planned Teacher.
Okay, so at The Planned Teacher.
The Planned Teacher.
Okay, and I will make sure that when she says that, it's like down below, and I'll put it in the description of the video also. So thank you, Nora, for joining us today.
Thank you, Gina, for having me.
So glad she came and joined me. All right, so we will be running around the school, and people are going to start to wonder why we both have the same pens.
The same planners.
Oh, look, there they are with their umbrellas outside. How did they get matching umbrellas? And we'll be like, Erin Condren.
Get yours today.
Well, thank you, Nora. I'm going to go ahead and stop the video, and we will see you guys in summer. Enjoy.
Bye.